Dear student, today we are in our new point oxidation. First of all, what is oxidation? Oxidation of alcohol. Oxidation means addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen is called oxidation. Oxidation of alcohol involves the formation of carbon-oxygen double bond with cleavage of oxygen, hydrogen and carbon-hydrogen bond. In the alcohol, there is bond between oxygen and hydrogen and also carbon with hydrogen. So here bond break between carbon and hydrogen. Here bond break between oxygen and hydrogen. The two hydrogen removes, so oxidation, and double bond occurs between them by one bond remaining of oxygen, one of carbon, both combines with each other. यानी 4 valency होવી જોઈએ છે જ અને હવે 4 છે આની એક પેકેટ છે અહીં જોડાય છે કાર્બોનિલ ગ્રુપમાં કન્વર્ટ થાય. Such a cleavage and formation of bond occur in oxidation reactions. This type of cleavage occurs during oxidation. Cleavage is the breaking of the bond from here and from here. These are also known as dehydrogenation. Yes, here molecule of hydrogen, like hydrogen remove થાય છે. So we are using in chemistry D. Hydrogenation means addition of hydrogen. Dehydrogenation means removal of hydrogen, as this involves loss of dihydrogen from the alcohol molecule. The alcohol molecule માંથી two hydrogen combinedly as a dihydrogen removes depending on the oxidizing agent used. Which type of oxidizing agent? આનું oxidation કરવું છે, so we have to take oxidizing agent. એના મુજબ પ્રોડક્ટ મળશે. And also which type of alcohol is taken? A primary alcohol is oxidized to an aldehyde, which is turned is oxidized to carboxylic acid when we take ethanol. So due to oxidation, one hydrogen from here and one from here, H2 removes and gives the aldehyde, and further oxidation of primary alcohol gives aldehyde, and further oxidation of aldehyde gives અહીંયા oxygen add થાય. અહીંયા hydrogen remove થાય એટલે oxidation, અહીંયા oxygen add થાય એટલે oxidation. It gives carboxylic acid. Like this. Understood? Now next point, example is given, we discussed. Here RCH2OH is the primary alcohol. OH containing carbon is attached with one primary. This symbol is of oxidation. Removal of two hydrogen means H2 gives R COOH aldehyde. Then further oxidation of it R COO. C and H ની વચ્ચે એક ઓક્સિજન કમ્બાઇન થાય, એડ થાય. So it gives R COOH, carboxylic acid. Strong oxidizing agent such as acidified potassium permanganate used for getting carboxylic acid from alcohol directly. Strong acidified potassium permanganate means KMnO4 oblique H plus. Acidified KMnO4 is a strong oxidizing agent. So it converts primary alcohol directly into carboxylic acid. It's not giving aldehyde. Aldehyde नहीं आते, डायरेक्ट कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड आपसे. Here, suppose we are taking ethanol and oxidizing agent KMnO4/H plus acidified KMnO4. So here CH3CH2OH, two hydrogen removes, gives acetaldehyde COOH. But this is strong oxidizing agent. જેવું aldehyde occur થાય at a time, it convert into carboxylic acid, means acidic acid. Carboxylic acid from alcohol directly, direct બની જાય. aldehyde બન્યા ભેગું આપણે aldehyde product મળે જ નહીં. When we use strong oxidizing agent like acidic KMnO4, when we take it gives directly carboxylic acid. But CrO3 in anhydrous medium, without water, when we take, so primary alcohol gives aldehyde. This is weak oxidizing agent. CrO3 oxidizes to primary alcohol and convert into aldehyde, but which is not capable to further oxidation of the aldehyde. Yes, medium used to oxidizing agent for the isolation of aldehyde. A better reagent for oxidation on primary alcohols to aldehyde in good yield is pyridinium chlorochromate. PCC is one of the weak oxidizing agent, and complex chromium trioxide with pyridine and HCl. Pyridinium chlorochromate means PCC. Which is the complex of pyridine, chromium trioxide and HCl. So which is called PCC, mixture of pyridine, CrO3 and HCl. This one is also weak oxidizing agent. Good yield, વધારે ક્વોન્ટિટીમાં આપી શકે છે. CH3CH double bond CH, here CH2OH. It oxidized by PCC, full name pyridinium chlorochromate. Pyridinium chlorochromate. And CrO3 and Cl. This is PCC. Pyridinium chlorochromate. PCC. Here benefit is that in double bond oil, then effect नहीं करे. Without affecting on double bond, which react only with the alcoholic group. The one H from here, one from here. So क्या compound में double bond oil તેને directly aldehyde में convert करे. Double bond ने effect नहीं था. Here is double bond. Without affecting double bond, convert into aldehyde. This one is actually butadiene one-ol. And now this one is butadiene and one-ol. enal, butyl in plus al means enal, butylenal, combined name. Secondary alcohols are oxidized to ketone by chromic anhydride CrO3. Without water having CrO3, when we take, so it easily convert into ketones. Secondary alcohol means OH containing carbon is attached with another 2 carbon atom. You can see secondary alcohol oxidized by CrO3. Here 2 hydrogen removes, one from oxygen, one from carbon. So dehydrogenation gives here one bond vacant of oxygen, one of carbon. Both combines with each other and gives a ketone. So remember, primary alcohol gives aldehyde by weak oxidizing agent, but by strong oxidizing agent it gives carboxylic acid. But secondary alcohol gives a ketone, RCOO dash, which gives ketone. We are taking example. Suppose propane to ol is taken. Oxidizing agent CrO3. Here 2 hydrogen removes. So one bond vacant of carbon, one of oxygen, both combines with each other and gives both combines with each other, and double bond occurs between carbon oxygen, acetone, propanone. It gives yes, here our product is acetone, otherwise propanone. Now we are going to discuss about tertiary alcohol. Tertiary alcohol. OH containing carbon is attached with another 3 tertiary alcohol, do not undergo oxidation reaction. Under strong reaction conditions such as strong oxidizing KMnO4 and elevated temperature, cleavage of various carbon-carbon bond take place and a mixture of carboxylic acid containing lesser number of carbon atom is formed. Yes. When we take a tertiary alcohol, suppose 2-methyl propane 2-ol is given. Elevated means high temperature, strong oxidizing agent. So here it gives a cleavage of carbon-carbon bond. Yes, from here. Mixture of carboxylic acid containing lesser number of carbon atom is formed. Lesser number of carbon atom is formed here. Here you can see tertiary alcohol undergo oxidation by strong oxidizing agent H plus oblique KMnO4. So here carbon-carbon bond breaks. Yes, from here. C bond break time CH3. This one CH3. 2 bond remaining. There oxygen combines. So it gives acetic acid, and methyl group convert into formic acid. Here is CH3. Here 1 hydrogen removes and double bond occurs. Once again oxygen combines there. So in the CH3, and this CH3 remove થાય, 1 hydrogen replace થાય, એટલે convert into aldehyde, and at a time aldehyde oxidized થઈ જાય. into formic acid, HCOOH. So it gives a mixture of carboxylic acid at high temperature and by using strong oxidizing agent. This type of product occurs here. Now, when the vapor of a primary or secondary alcohol are passed over heated copper at 5 most entry point, vapor of the gaseous state of primary or secondary alcohol એને copper metal ઉપરથી 573 કેલ્વિન ટેમ્પરેચર પર પાસ કરો. So dehydrogenation takes copper છે ને અને હાઇડ્રોજન પ્રત્યે ગ્રેટ એટ્રેક્શન છે. Yes, dehydrogenation, hydrogen remove take place and aldehyde or ketone is formed. While the primary alcohol gives aldehyde in this method and secondary alcohol gives a ketone, but tertiary alcohol undergo dehydration. તેમાં હાઇડ્રોજન નહીં પણ water remove થાય છે. So it gives alkene. When we take primary alcohol, here OH containing carbon is attached with one primary alcohol, copper metal, 573 Kelvin temperature. So one hydrogen અહીંથી C અને H નો bond OH એટલે H2 remove થાય. Then remaining one bond of carbon, one of oxygen, both combines. So RCHO means aldehyde occurs. When we take ethanol, so it gives ethanol. Now secondary alcohol, vapor of secondary alcohol, RCHOR copper metal 573 Kelvin temperature. Here what happens here? One bond breaks, oxygen hydrogen, one carbon hydrogen. So H2 removes and now one bond vacant of carbon, one of oxygen, both combines with each other. It gives ketone. RCOOR is the ketone. When we take propane to ol, example. So here CH3, two hydrogen removes and carbon oxide double bond occur 5. So it gives CH3CO CH3 acetone. So using this method, we get ketone from secondary alcohol. OH containing carbon is attached with another two. Now in the tertiary alcohol, not dehydrogenation but dehydration. અહીંયા dehydration means hydrogen remove થાય. Dehydration means water remove થાય. 2-methyl propane to ol is taken. Copper metal 573 Kelvin temperature. Yes. આ કાર્બન ઉપર હાઇડ્રોજન નથી. You can see it is connected with the carbon. So OH from here and H from here. So removal of water and removal of water. અહીંયા one bond of carbon, one of carbon, બે નાઇટ્રેટ બાકી, બે જોડાઈ જાય. એને આમ લખીએ. We can write like this. 2-methyl propene occurs. This is dehydration. Understood? Now we are in our new point. You can see in box biological oxidation of methanol and ethanol in the body. Biological oxidation of methanol and ethanol in the body produce the corresponding aldehyde by the acid. In the presence of acid, it converts into formaldehyde, this one into acetic acid. At times the alcoholics by mistake drink ethanol mixed with methanol, also called denatured alcohol in the body. Methanol oxide first to methanol and then methanoic acid. The methanol માંથી methanol બને. Then alcoholics means દારૂ પીતા હોય તેની વાત છે. methanol માંથી methanol, then methanoic acid, which may cause blindness and death. અને જો ભૂલથી દારૂ છે એમાં methanol આવી જાય તો it convert into methanol first, then after formic acid, methanoic acid, which is very dangerous to human health, causes blindness, આંધળો થઈ જાય તો મૃત્યુ થાય. Methanol poison patient is treated by giving intravenous influence of diluted ethanol. આવા લોકોને ઇન્જેક્શનમાં ઇથેનોલ આપવામાં આવે તેની ઇફેક્ટ ઓછી થાય. The enzyme responsible for oxidation of aldehyde to acid. આપણા બોડીમાં જે enzymes હોય which behave like a catalyst and convert into formic acid and it damage oxidation formaldehyde to acid and swamp, allowing time for kidney to extract methanol. Kidney ને પણ ડેમેજ કરશે. Now we are in our new point. Here reaction of alcohol is over here. Now we are in reaction of phenols. Following reactions are shown by phenols only. Phenol છે નીચેના reaction જ બતાવે છે. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Electrophilic aromatic substitution. Substitution એટલે હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય અને any group where adds there. In the benzene ring, in phenol there is OH group. OH group having this is phenol. So hydrogen will be replaced by another group. That is called substitution. Electrophilic means any positive radical which attracts toward the electron of the benzene ring. Electrophilic. અહીંથી hydrogen remove થાય, substitution reaction occurs. In phenol, reaction that take place on the aromatic ring are electrophilic substitution. Substitution એટલે addition નહીં. હાઇડ્રોજન રિમૂવ થાય અને કોઈ ગ્રુપ એન્ટર થાય, સબસ્ટિટ્યુશન. પણ that group is electrophile. It has an attraction toward the electron of the benzene ring. So this reaction is called electrophilic aromatic substitution. In phenol, reactions that take place on the aromatic ring are electrophilic substitution reaction. We will discuss detail in unit 13, class 11 discussed. The OH group attached to the benzene ring activate it toward electrophilic substitution. Yes. OH group છે which is donor group. Donate electron pair toward benzene ring. એટલે benzene ring ના આ electron cloud છે એમાં increasing થાય. The density of electron moves toward benzene ring. એટલે આનો જે નેગેટિવ ચાર્જ હતો એ ઇન્ક્રીઝ થઈ જાય એટલે પોઝિટિવ પાર્ટિકલ positive species has a great attraction, so substitution occurs easily. It towards electrophilic substitution. Also, it directs the incoming group to ortho and para position. Why? Phenol is ortho para directing standard 11. Here two lone pair, which donates to benzene ring. So double bond occurs here. Formal charge donate કરશે તો બે પાઈ બોન્ડ ક્યારે બાજુ બાજુમાં ના આવે એટલે these two electron આ બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન અહીં પાઈ બોન્ડ ફોર્મ કરશે અહીં પાઈ બોન્ડ ન હોય નકર તો આ 5 બોન્ડ થઈ જાય these two electron moves in ortho place. Now these two electron moves here, so this on para place, moves on para place. So you can see આ બે ઇલેક્ટ્રોન અહીં આવે છે એટલે these two moves on ortho place. Now these two coming here, so અહીંયા pi bond પાસે ના હોય so these two electron moves on para position. These two moves here, these two comes here. તો હવે બે pi bond close ના હોય એકદમ પાસે એટલે આ pi bond ના ઇલેક્ટ્રોન અહીં આવી જાય once again ortho place, negative charge થાય કે these two electron comes here એટલે resonating structure છે એટલે અહીંયા બે pi bond પાસે ના હોય these two moves on oxygen એટલે due to OH group ortho અને para ઉપર electron density, number of electron increase થાય એટલે coming species is positive charge. It has a attraction on the ortho and para position. क्या attract થાય मेटा प्लेस ऊपर इलेक्ट्रॉन डेंसिटी નથી ortho ને para ઉપર डेंसिटी આવી છે એટલે coming group enters on ortho and para position, so which is called ortho para directing. Ortho para position in the ring. As this position became electron rich એટલે electron વધારે છે due to resonance effect caused by OH group. The resonance structure are shown under acidity of phenols. આપણે આના વિશે acid nature of phenol એમાં ડિસ્કસ કર્યું. Common electrophilic aromatic substitution reactant take place in phenol are as follows. કેટલાક common electrophilic substitution reactions taking place in phenol are as follows. First one is of nitration. Nitration of phenol. This is phenol. Nitration means NO2 group we have to add in the benzene ring, which is called nitration. Nitration occurs with dilute HNO3. You can see structure of HNO3 is like this. Here bond breaks OH minus and NO2 plus. So this is electrophilic group. It attracts toward the benzene ring. So it attacks on ortho and para position. Suppose NO2 comes here. So ortho nitrophenol, otherwise 2 nitrophenol, 1 and 2. Ortho nitrophenol is common name. 2 nitrophenol is IUPAC name. Sometimes nitro group combines on para position. So para nitrophenol, so it gives mixture of ortho and para. Yes, it attacks on both places, ortho and para. So it gives mixture of ortho and para. Ortho nitrophenol. And IUPAC name of this compound is 4-nitrophenol. The ortho para isomer can be, and the mixture we have to separate from them. by steam distillation. Why? Boiling point of both compounds are different, and we will discuss about it in our next lecture. Here you can see NO2 group is electrophilic, and electron attracted હોય, so orthonic પેરામાં enter થાય, and when NO2 enters there, the hydrogen remove થાય, H plus substitution, H plus remove થાય, NO2 enter થાય. This H plus combines with oil, so here our side product is H2O. From here we will start in our next lecture. Till then, bye.